Okay, so the main details or points that I got out of this presentation that we watched was the prompt for this debate, which was the U.S. should the U.S. increase the development of the Earth's moon in areas of minerals, energy, and water. And a couple of the ones that I actually got out from what she was saying was she says the use of the moon for energy is impossible since there are no lunar resources. Um, she also said that the U.S. federal government will establish private property rights on the moon. She later states that space exploration is key to prevent human extinction, and that for that reason we should invest in space exploration. There were several barriers to listening that I thought came into play here. Um, these are not barriers that I usually struggle with, as I am not listening to people talk like she was, but a couple of them were that she was talking very, very fast, which that's just, I feel like, a barrier for a lot of people. She was talking about kind of a complex topic, talking about a couple of things that I really had no idea what she was even talking about, using large words. And another thing was that the environment was very noisy. There was a lot of background noise in the video, people coughing, people rustling papers. And then also when she was not up at the podium, I thought it was harder to hear them talking when they were behind the red tables. Something that I did to help alleviate those barriers was I paused the video several times to write down some of my thoughts. I paused it halfway, like Professor Outzen told us to do, which helped me gather my thoughts as well. And a lot of times, if I wanted to write something down that I thought the speaker said would help me for this assignment, I did pause the video several times to see exactly what she was saying, so I could write down exactly what she was saying. And yeah, that is all the barriers, or that is how I tried to overcome the barriers in this video. Thank you.